We are starting with the patio makeover. The packages just got delivered. This actually should end up looking really magical at night. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is finally time to start this holiday transformation. We are going to transform this whole space, and when I say whole, I mean whole space. I have plans for basically every inch of this apartment, both inside and out. And I say out because we are starting with the patio makeover. As you know, we did a full fall makeover a couple months ago, and I love it. It is so welcoming and inviting every time I walk into the apartment. But I'm ready for the holidays, and I'm ready to transform this space. And big news, I'm partnering with Temu on this makeover. They reached out to me and said they wanted to help with my holiday decor, and I was not about to say no, and I knew this patio was the perfect spot. I already had a bunch of ideas, but then I hopped on their site and I got so many more ideas with so much stuff that they had available. I'm actually really excited. All of the packages just got delivered, and I'm like itching, dying to open them up. And I'm going to do this unboxing first because I really want to see how this stuff turned out. And then we are going to get rid of all of the fall decor, wipe it out, give myself a clean slate, and we are going to do an entire makeover on this patio. So let's get these boxes together and let's do a quick unboxing and see what I got from Temu. It's time to go through this stuff, but before I do, you can use the link in the description box down below to shop all of the products that I got. And if you use this code, they have been generous enough to offer everybody in our community a $100 coupon bundle for anybody that uses this promo code. So download the link below to get the app, use the code, and you can shop all of the products that I got. Let's jump in. So a lot of the theme that I was thinking about, a lot of the stuff I was drawn to when it came to patio were really like nighttime, illuminated, warm and cozy, like the patios that I saw with the reds and stuff. I really loved the options with like the candles, and you know I love anything antique-y looking. I saw these lanterns, which are solar powered. Every light that I'm going to be using outside right now is solar powered. I don't have any plugs or anything on the outside of the apartment building, so everything has to get creatively powered. So I got a couple of these solar power candled lanterns. I thought they were really cute. If you use the link in the description down below to download the app, you can get these lanterns for $1. $1 they are offering our community. I love these. These are gonna go perfect with the aesthetic that I'm trying to create out there. It's this little tree, little evergreen bush. I love it because I also got a bunch of like ornaments and stuff. Obviously, you gotta have some greenery, you know me. All right, you know I love my greenery. I got a couple different types of garland because I think to really make garland sing, it's fun to mix and match, so it's not all just one texture. I got this, which is more of a cedar. I love that it kind of dangles and stuff. There's a lot of movement in it. And then I got one, which is obviously a little bit more full, a different type of greenery, and it gives you a lot more. This one has more wire in it, so it gives great more structure with it. All right, I've said before that I'm really into the reds right now. I did a lot of the red berries. I think these are gonna look really great, especially mixed in with those different types of greenery that I got. I got a lot of these antique jingle bells. I think I can make them look really cute. Look at these flocked burgundy ornaments. Gives that like velvety, rich color, and these are more of a burgundy. I got some mini ornaments here, reds, different textures. They have matte, they have shiny, they have a little bit of glitter. I love this. Look at this like burgundy ribbon. It's lightweight. It's kind of frayed on the edges, so it has that really like antique quality mixed with like these jingle bells. It'd be so cute. Look at these cute little like burgundy bows. This is another ribbon. It's a little bit more finished. So these are great. Obviously more of a traditional red plaid, a little bit darker. That's great. Mixing my red tones. Just got a throw also to mix with my reds. Plaid. It actually is really cozy. It'll be warm. Nice. Right, and the last thing I got was some LEDs, some twinkle lights, but they're all solar paneled, and I can just add these in the trees and stuff with all of like the LED candles and the lanterns and stuff. I think it's just gonna be really magical out there. That's what I was able to get from Temu, and I'm really happy with what I got. I think it's all gonna really work well together. I am dying to start this makeover, so let's clear out all of this fall stuff and let's get this Christmas makeover started on this patio. Let's go. All right, we have a blank canvas now to get started. Let's decorate this for the holidays. Let's start with the easy stuff and set up this sofa with the throw blanket and the pillow covers I got.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
And when it comes to Christmas garland, my secret is just keep adding layers. It doesn't have to be an expensive garland. There's ways to make it look more expensive than it actually is just by adding little details to it. You'll see that I keep adding things throughout the video to this garland, and I love the way this thing turned out. You could not tell me this garland did not cost like $75 at some fancy store.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew.
I absolutely was not planning on using lights on everything, but those things were so long. They had so many lights on them. I did not expect them to be that long. So I had to use them somewhere. So this actually should end up looking really magical at night. I'm excited. And I'm gonna go ahead and use those ornaments and the picks and the bows and the bells, all those little things that I received, and decorate all these Christmas trees. couple holiday plants as a last touch, and with that, this patio makeover is done. I want to give a massive shout out, big thank you to the people at Temu for helping me with this makeover. I am loving it. It is so cozy and so inviting, and it's just perfect for the holidays. Exactly what I want to welcome me every time I walk in the door. Remember to use the link down in the description to shop all of the products I got, and remember to use this promo code and you will get a $100 coupon bundle. Again, huge thank you to Temu for helping me with this. I love it so much. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do so now. Tons of projects coming up. We are in the middle of Vlogmas, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.